Hi, I'm Kris MacGregor, and this is my wife, Barb.
And together we own MyHome Renovations. We are renovation experts, specialise just in residential renovations in the Auckland area in New Zealand.
And we've been in business for nearly 20 years now. Life before APB was very chaotic, and we didn't know which direction we were going, to be honest. We didn't have any KPIs set, so we weren't measuring anything.
We knew that we had to work on the business, but it was just a matter of how.
There was a lot of repetitive tasks, and there was no templates or systems. We just really lacked any systems in the business.
Kris is a builder. I had some sales and marketing background, but we hadn't run a big business before, and so we were newbies in a lot of ways.
Before APB, we had 3 or 4 employees. I was on the tools. APB really taught us how to grow in safe and secure steps. We were previously flying very blind. I look back and I think we were sending quotes out and really not knowing if we were making any money.
Before we joined APB, we knew how to do the build side of the business. We knew how to bring in a project and make it happen and build these beautiful renovations for our clients. But the back end side of things, the financial side of things, it's just light and day from before APB to now.
We just couldn't have done that ourselves. To have that safe and secure
that guidance
and systemization has really enabled us to get where we've got.
Our revenue has just continually grown year on year. Before APB, we were pottering around that sort of $2 million mark as a company with a handful of employees. We've at least doubled our revenue. We're now paying ourselves competitive salaries, instead of just getting by previously. We're so much more processed now.
There's templates and processes for every operation in the business, and it was understanding what they were and how to put processes in place for them.
I would encourage anybody to join the business coaching simply for the accountability, just having somebody checking in, making sure you're implementing.
If you want to take that next step and grow your business and really hit your goals, it's just a no-brainer. Just do it.
Owning a business can be quite isolating if you don't have the right network around you. And for us, that network has been APB.
There's just everyone's so professional and caring, and we celebrate the successes and learn from the mistakes and share that as a group, which is super powerful. We would like to bring people in to replace the roles that we do and really provide us the freedom to go and play golf and have some overseas trips and spend a bit more time with the kids.